This is a list of tentative cue cards. The first one is describe an occasion when you celebrated an achievement, and the next one is describe something you wanted to do in future. Also, the next one will be describe a game or sport you have participated in, describe a foreign country you have never been to, describe a seminar or a speech you have attended. The next one will be describe a performance you have during your school time, a teacher who has influenced you the most, and talk about an educational trip you went in school days. The next will be the describe the happiest situation in your life, a photograph in your home, and also a difficult challenge that you met in your life. The next would be an indoor game that you played during your childhood. Describe an exciting experience in your life. Also, the next would be describe a small business you wanted to start or you want to start. Describe an important journey that was delayed. Talk about your favorite photograph and describe an important message you have received. Talk about a time when you were sleepy but you had to be awake. Describe an article in magazine about healthy living and describe a crowded place you visited last time. Talk about an interesting conversation you had with someone. Describe a product made in the region you came from. Describe a place where you want to read apart from home. Next would be describe a person who apologized to you. Describe something that you borrowed from a friend. Talk about a change that can improve your local area. The next would be talk about a person whose job is important to the society. Talk about a person who taught you something important. Describe a place full of colors. All these will be in masterclass.ielts. Describe a recent time when you looked at the sky. Describe one time when weather changed your plan. And talk about a celebration organized after an achievement. The next would be describe a time when you delayed your journey, describe a family member you spent the most time with, and describe a show or performance that you enjoyed the most. Next one is describe a situation when you try to impress someone, an occasion when you met someone for the first time, and a leisure activity that you enjoy the most. The next one is talk about a house or apartment you want to live in, describe a job you want to do in future, and describe a practical skill you learned in the past. The next is describe an advice you received on your subject or work, or something important you lost in past. Describe something you bought that was difficult to use at first. Next is talk about a goal you achieved set by you, a uniform you used to wear, and an interesting animal. All these in masterclass.ielts. Describe a gift you spent long time to choose or make, a situation when you were not allowed to use cell phones. These are the cue cards which you can cover up in the masterclass